Chris and Cody at Tri-State RV. Brand new, just in. We got Wolfpack 102 wide body, gold edition. This is a 24 Gold 14. We're really excited about this.
Razor 1000 will fit inside of this unit.
Any of your bigger units, no issues whatsoever. Come on inside, take a look at it. Wolfpack doing a great job this year, as always. Got the residential refrigerator. Got our couches that'll flip down, make an extra bed there. Price point is amazing on this unit. Got our anti-sink here.
Great bathroom. You actually do have a hallway here that you can walk through. Great corner shower, good sink, high ceilings. The guys that are 6'1", 6'2", no problem. You walk in here, big bed, battery disconnect right there. Place to mount TVs, wardrobe. Great unit. Fantastic unit.
Come see us at Tri-State RV in Illinois.